In today's video, let's learn about some of the most amazing health benefits of using baking soda with water, and see how you can use it to improve various aspects of your health. Let's begin. Number 1. It can help keep your pH levels balanced. Our body works best in a slightly alkaline environment, with a pH value between 7.35 to 7.45. But when this balance tips towards acidity, it can trigger inflammation, and may even increase your risk of developing many chronic diseases. Adding baking soda to water makes it an alkaline solution. This alkaline solution can help keep your body's pH within the healthy range. Maintaining a healthy alkaline pH offers not only overall better health, but also reduces your risk of developing osteoporosis, kidney stones, and many chronic diseases. Number 2. It acts as a natural antacid. If you are struggling with the symptoms of acid reflux, including gas and heartburn, then baking soda water can help you find some much-needed relief. Being an alkaline solution, baking soda water neutralizes the stomach acid, causing you to burp and belch a few times and releasing trapped gas that was probably causing heartburn. Number 3. It can improve your athletic performance. When we work out, our muscles consistently need oxygen and glucose to repeatedly contract and relax. But during an intense workout, when the oxygen supply can't keep up with the high demand for energy, pyruvates are produced that eventually allow your muscles to keep going. In the absence or lack of oxygen, these pyruvates get converted into lactic acid, causing burning sensations and sometimes cramps in your muscles. Studies show that baking soda water can neutralize lactic acid to some extent, which can potentially prevent or soothe muscle cramps and soreness. But remember that it's not at all a cure for muscle soreness, and drinking too much of it can cause stomach discomfort, nausea, electrolyte imbalances, and even high blood pressure. Number 4. It can help reduce inflammation in your body. Studies show that acidosis, in which the body's pH is slightly more acidic than normal, can trigger inflammation. That inflammation, if it's prolonged and becomes chronic, can lead to many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and sometimes even cancer. Baking soda can help shift this pH value back towards alkalinity, preventing inflammation and its associated risks. Number 5. It can help improve your kidneys' health. Maintaining a proper acid-base balance is crucial for kidney health, and the kidneys play a key role in regulating the body's pH. An acidic pH can put extra strain on your kidneys as they try to filter out acidic components in your blood. This increased strain can potentially damage your kidneys and may also contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Baking soda water provides alkaline components to neutralize those acidic components, helping to keep your blood pH in a healthy range and protecting your kidneys from potential damage. But again, baking soda is not at all a way to repair damaged kidneys or remove kidney stones. If you're concerned about your kidney health, it's important to consult with your health expert. They can help determine if this approach aligns with your needs and health conditions. Number 6. It can help improve your oral health. Many foods that we consume are acidic in nature, particularly coffee, tea, and carbonated drinks. These things can directly erode your tooth enamel and cause tooth stains. Many sugary foods and drinks that leave sugar on your teeth invite certain kinds of bacteria that feed on it and cause plaque, which too can contribute to tooth decay, tooth stains, and bad mouth odor. Baking soda can help against all these issues at the same time. Its gentle abrasive action can remove stains and plaque from your teeth, while its alkaline properties neutralize those damage-causing acidic components. To make baking soda paste, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and add some water to it to give it a paste-like consistency. Brush your teeth with this paste for 1 to 2 minutes. Focus on areas prone to staining, like the front teeth and molars. Do this only once or twice a week, as overuse can wear down your tooth enamel. And remember that it's not a substitute for toothpaste, so keep up with your oral hygiene routine as you usually do. You can also use baking soda water as a mouthwash. Simply dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Swish the rinse around for 30 seconds and then spit it out. This can help neutralize acid buildup in your mouth and freshen your breath. You can do that once or twice a day. Number 7. It can help soothe sore throat and nasal congestion. Some studies suggest a mild benefit of gargling with a baking soda solution for sore throat relief. but the effect is small and temporary. The exact mechanism by which baking soda might help is unclear. Some studies suggest that it can neutralize acid from infection-causing bacteria or provide a slight numbing effect. Simply put, half a teaspoon of table salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of lukewarm water. Gargle the solution in your throat for 15 to 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat the gargle every few hours as needed. For nasal congestion, mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter teaspoon of table salt in 1 cup of warm and preferably distilled water. Use a nasal bulb syringe or a neti pot to irrigate your nasal passages with the solution. Tilt your head to the side and pour the solution into one nostril, allowing it to drain out of the other nostril. Repeat on the other side. Doing this daily can help clear mucus from your nasal cavity and reduce nasal congestion. But remember that while these methods may provide temporary relief, they are not a substitute for professional medical care. If your symptoms are severe, or if you have underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Number 8. It can help improve your skin health. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste. Gently massage the paste onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. Baking soda's mild abrasive texture can help remove dead skin cells, potentially revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. Plus, its alkaline nature can help balance pH levels on the skin. However, limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week, as overdoing it can irritate your skin. Another great way to use baking soda for skin health is by making a face mask. Simply mix baking soda with other skin-friendly ingredients like honey or yogurt to create a soothing face mask. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse off. This paste can also help prevent acne breakouts and reduce acne spots that may already be there on your skin. You can also use baking soda water to help relieve sunburns. Fill a bathtub with cool water. Add a half cup of baking soda to the water and stir to dissolve. Soak in the bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently pat your skin dry after the bath and avoid rubbing as it can irritate the sunburned skin. You can also make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it directly to affected areas, allowing it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. But remember to do a patch test to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. And always consult a dermatologist before using any new products or methods on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or existing skin conditions. They can assess your needs and recommend the best approach for healthy, glowing skin. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.